How much is the Sony Bravia 9? The Sony Bravia 9 is a high-end mini LED TV series designed to deliver top-tier picture quality, smart features, and immersive sound. Its pricing varies depending on screen size, technology, and retailer promotions. 1. Price range based on screen size. The Sony Bravia 9 is available in multiple sizes, with prices increasing for larger models. The estimated price range for each size is 65-inch model, priced between $2,800 and $3,200. 75-inch model typically ranges from $3,400 to $3,000, $3,800. 85-inch model costs between $4,500 and $5,000. Prices may fluctuate depending on store discounts, seasonal sales, or bundled offers. 2. Advanced features affecting price. The premium pricing of the Sony Bravia 9 is justified by its advanced features, including mini LED and QLED technology, enhances brightness, contrast, and color accuracy for a superior viewing experience. 4. KUHD resolution provides sharp, high-detail picture quality with deep blacks and vivid colors. Google TV integration allows seamless access to streaming services, apps, and voice control compatibility. Cognitive Processor XR optimized images and sound for a more immersive experience. Acoustic Multi-Audio Plus technology ensures clear and powerful sound that matches on-screen action. 3. Comparison with other Sony models. Compared to other Sony TV series, the Bravia 9 sits above standard 4K LED models and is positioned below OLED models in terms of pricing. While Sony's regular LED TVs cost between $800 and $2,500, and OLED models range from $2,500 to $6,000, the Bravia 9 offers a balance between premium display quality and affordability. 4th, factors influencing final cost. Several factors impact the final price of the Sony Bravia 9, including retailer variations. Different stores may offer discounts or financing options. Seasonal promotions. Prices often drop during major sales events. Warranty and accessories. Extended warranties or bundled accessories can increase the cost. The Sony Bravia 9 is a premium mini LED TV with a price range starting at around $2,800 and going up to $5,000 for larger sizes. It offers top-tier display quality and smart features, making it a great choice for those seeking a high-end home entertainment experience.